Today Jim and I are talking about some of our favorite hydrangeas that we like to use in our landscaping installations. And these are a really classic type of hydrangea, Hydrangea Arborescens, or smooth hydrangea.
Right. Now this white one is what you typically see, and you see them at a lot of old farmhouses, a lot of old properties. And it's actually native. I've seen it growing just south of us in Pennsylvania, so it can be considered a native plant. The white is the classic. Then they came out with this pink version, which really upticked this plant a lot. But tell me about this one.
Well, this one is called Invincible Spirit, and what's really gaining popularity with here, besides the color, is the fact that $1 for each plant that's sold is donated to the Breast Cancer Foundation.
Nice.
So they have actually sold 900,000 of these and are 90% of the way to their $1 million goal.
Wow, so that won't take long. Huh?
No.
Yeah.
So we've loved this for a few seasons, but then they improved it and made it even better.
Yes, but one of the problems we had with this in planting it is it had a tendency to be fairly floppy. And you know, I've seen big ones mature that look pretty good, but a lot of times we put them in and they flop all over.
Right.
So Invincible Spirit 2 has stronger stems, a little stiffer plant, a little better color, and a real winner for us.
And what's great about planting with Hydrangea Arborescens is they make great hedge plants. So if you want to plant them in a long line, they tend to hold each other up well, and they really form a nice thicket. And as long as you prune that down about 1/3 to half once a year, they're very hardy for many, many years.
Winter pruning or early spring pruning. So.
And the yellow fall color on them really gives some interest later in the season.
Great.
So thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.